Laura, you're right.
Yeah, this is something. 107.
Watch your stern. Watch your stern. Get ready to bend.
Oh, that was close.
1 minute, Bill.
That was close.
Can't do much when we got no steerage.
You're fine, Bill. You didn't do anything wrong. You're the only one.
Oh my God.
Yeah, this is gun.
They got a fend off. Oh my God, Debbie, Debbie, you gotta see this. Debbie, you gotta see this. Oh, this you gotta see.
More pressure because now they cleared us.
34.
I feel a little bit of breeze.
We're fine.
30 seconds, Bill.
Okay, so we're good. We're good. Just got a little power. Coming up. See ya. Coming up.
Matt.
15.
All right, give me power. I gotta get up. No,
10, Bill.
You're there. We're almost over.
You're at it.
You're at it. Straight now. Good there. You're wrapping me up in the rope here, guys.
2, 1, time.
Okay, race.
Okay. All right. Let's quickly say hold on. Nice start.
Watch your dinghy.
One guy.
Yep.
Break your sails, guys.
Alright, watch that dinghy back
Yep.
there, too. We'll just putz around for a little.
Oh, this is unbelievable.
Finally get some wind. Yeah. Hi.
Hi, guys.
They kept yelling at us to come up.
Are they announcing anyone over on the radio?
So we had no steerage, and there was like no wind in the sail at all, and that guy just kept coming, like barreling down at us.
Yeah,
He was
did.
motoring
Hey,
that.
I'd like to come up just a little bit more. So
Okay.
rig the sail to make it go.
Right. Don't over trim. You gotta read the sail.
We're gonna leave that halyard the way it is, right? Or do you want?
I think
We don't have enough
I
wind
want
to
to
tighten
try
up
and get
yet,
ahead
right?
of it because our speed right now.
Danielle, what do you think?
My heart's like... It was
I meant the
awesome.
jib halyard.
That was
Get
exciting.
by 'em.
Scary.
Then I'm happy. I'll keep it.
Laura, how was that start?
It was exciting. A little scary, but exciting.
All the way up. That's why we're pulling ahead.
That's why this is like a spinnaker.
I was just